Well, it's a bit of a late start. It's about 10 minutes till 9. Finally got all of my stuff put together, all packed up. Used the restroom for one last time. A little bit close to 6 miles to the shelter. I think that's all the further I want to go for the day. As you can see, it's gonna be slogging. Didn't pack any galoshes. Big tree they cut in half. The for Appalachian Trail. For those who are a bit geographically challenged, there's which way to go. Although in fairness, with these kind of skies, it's not like you're going to be able to look at the sun and figure out which way to go. These little pebbles, these are nice. It's easy walking. I like this. I don't think it's gonna last. I'm wearing my hat I picked up in the Galapagos. Hey, Galapagos. While I was out in the desert, oops. While I was out in the desert, picked up another patch for a hat. So this one says, "Embrace the suck." My mother was nice enough to tack it on this hat for me. Remind myself when things are miserable, just embrace the suck, plow on, right? So I was expecting to be walking constantly in rain today. As you can see, I could go for about 5 degrees warmer. But otherwise it's not too bad. It's pretty windy up on the tree tops. Last night it was really windy in the tree tops. I think you can hear it. So up in the tree tops it's really windy. But otherwise, not too bad. Kind of like it. I could go for a little bit drier feet, but not too wet. Mostly through some grass I had to walk through. Got wet. They're not squishy wet. But yeah, I could go for about 5 degrees warmer. My ears are a little cold. Yeah. Took my ski cap off to wear this hat because I thought it was going to be raining. And this works better to give me a brim for the rain jacket hood. So on we go. Oh, big step. All right, you guys. A little trail magic. There's a race across Maryland. They're trying to do, I guess it's 41 miles all the way across Maryland. They're doing it one day. I ran past, I think, the first 3 runners coming up here to the Washington Monument. They got an aid station, food, drinks, snacks. And they let me have a little sandwich, and I took a Reese's. So it's really cold and windy, but I made it to the Washington Monument. A little sign you can find anywhere, I suppose. Well, here's the Washington Monument. Let's go to the top and see what kind of view I got. Whew. It's windy in here. Ugh. and steep steps. Oh, stepped in a puddle. So there's the east. Up that direction somewhere is north. Where I gotta go. So about an hour ago, maybe 2 hours ago, I considered taking some of my clothes off because I was getting hot. Of course, now I'm all the way up here on the summit. I just checked the forecast. Current temperature is like 48 degrees. Feels like 44, so it's a 4-degree wind chill factor, but up here it's probably more. And over the next 20 some hours, temperature's just gonna keep dropping like another 7 degrees, I think it said. The low will be tomorrow morning around 7 at 41 degrees before it starts warming back up. So it's gonna be a cold one. I hate the cold. That's why I spent the last 2 winters in the Arizona desert. That is the life that I chose. So the trail doesn't look so much like a trail now. It looks more like a stream. Stream of water and mud. Oh, I missed the little pebbles. The little pebbles were better than this. Oh. Yuck. Alright, it's gonna take more coordination than I can with holding the camera to walk this. Check it out, everyone. It's I-70. Hitch a ride from here in about a day and a half. I'll be back home. Alright, so I made it to Pine Knob Shelter. Gotta make a determination if I want to stay here tonight or go on further. This was the game plan, to get to at least here. Let's go check out the spring. So I can get some more water. Use about a third of my water getting here. Something wrong with my GoPro battery. It keeps wanting to shut down, saying it's low, but it's only like 56%. So here's the spring. Get my water to filter it out.